Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. A lot of times, while scratch building with Depron, especially when your project requires a smooth curvature along the entire workpiece, we have to fill some gaps on the joints or seams. There are some commercial available products that you can use for this purpose, but the place where I belong to, such products are difficult to find or only available in bulk orders. In such case, this video will benefit you all and will give you a cheap alternative to body fillers or spackle or putty. Make sure to test the approach first to check the feasibility for your own requirements. Without waiting for one more moment, let's begin. The base of the body filler will be talcum powder. Yes, you heard it right, talcum powder. Add any type of white glue with the talcum powder. I'm going to use Fevicol Pro Bond, which should be readily available at any hardware shop across India. But any other white glue or epoxy glue can be used. Add some water to obtain the consistency that you want to work with. There is no specific ratio of this mixture, since it will greatly depend on the glue that you can find in your local market. Mix the mixture well until you obtain the correct consistency. A quick rule of thumb is, make it thicker to fill larger gaps. After obtaining the correct consistency, use some old plastic cards or a flat piece of plastic to apply it on your workpiece. Fill all the gaps as you intend to and let it dry. I would suggest experimenting with a couple of different glues to find the perfect match. While experimenting though, make sure that the glue doesn't react to the Depron foam, or you will end up losing the workpiece. Also, while using epoxy, you don't need to add the water. With my own experiences, I must tell you that using epoxy would be a better choice if you plan to sand down the filler after it dries. White glues in general have an elastic bond when they cure, and would be difficult to sand once it dries. In hotter regions, you might want to keep adding water to the mix to maintain the consistency. That's a limitation when you work with water-based mixtures. Try the method a few times to get used to the idea. Here is a disclaimer. The filler itself will not have any structural strength itself, so make sure that you only use this method to perform cosmetic finish on the workpiece. While this method is immensely cheap, it is still an alternative. Hence, it cannot be compared to the commercially available solutions for body filling. Go for the commercial ones if you are looking for a professional solution and expect more from a filler than just gap filling. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know how this worked out for you in the comments section. Bye bye.